Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix a screen brightness stuck on the AMAZFIT Balance 3. As you can see right here, there's the watch, and we'll try to fix it by sliding down from the top of your screen twice, and then finding the sun icon. Now, auto brightness sometimes may be malfunctioning, so try disabling the auto brightness. So the A letter should not be highlighted. It should look like, in my case, it should be gray. And then you can adjust the brightness on your own. If it didn't help, then you may want to try to reset your watch. Restart. To restart your watch, press and hold on the back button. Then click on this button right here, which is restart, and approve it. And now wait until it restarts. And now, if none of that helped, the last resort is going to be updating the system. Maybe that will fix the issue. Sometimes there are some software bugs in the system and they release an update to fix it. And to do it, go to the app, go to the device section, scroll all the way down to general, and at the very top you'll find system update. Now, in my case, the current version is the latest, but if there's a new version, you will be able to install it, and that might fix the issue. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.